Let's read and learn. We are going to read a story. The Weekend Adventure. It was a lazy Saturday morning when Ria and her younger brother Kabir decided they needed a break from their usual routine. Let's do something fun this weekend, Ria suggested as she flipped through a magazine. Kabir's eyes lit up. What about a trek to the nearby hills? He said excitedly. Ria loved the idea, and they quickly got their parents' permission. By the afternoon, their bags were packed with water bottles, sandwiches, and a small first aid kit. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Routine, a regular schedule or way of doing things. Suggested, proposed an idea. Excitedly, in a happy and enthusiastic way. Permission, approval to do something. The next morning, they woke up early, feeling refreshed and energetic. The hills were only a short drive away, but the road was surrounded by lush green fields and colorful flowers. Kabir kept pointing out birds and butterflies he had never seen before. When they reached the starting point of the trek, they noticed a small group of hikers gathering. Everyone seemed friendly, and one man even offered to guide them up the hill. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Refreshed, feeling rested and full of energy. Lush, full of healthy, green plants. Hikers, people who walk long distances for fun, especially in nature. Guide, someone who helps others find their way. The trek was not as easy as they had imagined. The path was rocky and uneven, and at some points, they had to hold on to tree branches to keep their balance. Kabir, being younger, started to feel tired halfway up. I can't do this anymore, he complained, sitting on a rock. Ria handed him a water bottle and encouraged him, saying, just a little more, Kabir. The view from the top will be worth it. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Rocky, covered with or made of rocks. Uneven, not smooth or flat. Encouraged, gave support or confidence to someone. After an hour of climbing, they finally reached the top of the hill. The view took their breath away. They could see the entire city on one side and endless fields on the other. The air was cool and refreshing. Ria and Kabir sat down on the grass, enjoying their sandwiches and taking pictures. Kabir smiled and said, "You were right, Ria. This is amazing." They also spotted a small lake in the distance, sparkling under the sunlight. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Breath away, to make someone feel amazed or surprised. Refreshing, making you feel cool and energized. Sparkling, shining brightly. Just as they were getting ready to leave, Kabir noticed something moving in the bushes. What's that? He whispered nervously, It turned out to be a family of monkeys. The monkeys were playful and curious, but they didn't come too close. Ria laughed and said, "Looks like we have company." They watched the monkeys swing from the trees and play with each other before heading back down the hill. Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Encounter, a meeting, often unexpected. Nervously, feeling slightly afraid or anxious. Curious, wanting to know or learn more about something. As they walked back down, the siblings felt tired but happy. The journey down was much quicker, and they talked about their favorite parts of the trek. By the time they got home, it was evening, and their parents were waiting with warm cups of tea and snacks. How was it? Their mother asked. Kabir grinned and replied, "The best adventure ever." Let's learn some word meanings from the passage. Siblings, brothers and sisters. Quicker, faster. Adventure, an exciting or unusual experience,